Okay, first you wanna scrub your potato and rinse under cold water. Give it a good scrub. You don't want any dirt on the skin. If you like your skin on your french fries, leave them on. If you don't, peel them. I'm going to personally peel them. After you're done cutting your potatoes, you want to put them into cold water for about 10 to 20 minutes so it removes some of the starch. After you cut your potatoes into june or medium hot oil to blanch them, you want to put them in till they look crispy, but they're not going to be that crispy. So you want to place them in carefully and let them stay in there for about around 45 seconds to 1 minute. So you want to keep moving them around, and you just let them boil in hot oil. The best oil is to use vegetable oil. You can use peanut oil to add flavor, but not everyone likes peanut oil. So you can check up on your potatoes. See, again, they look very nice. Just keep them in for another few seconds. Then take them out. Let them strain. We'll use a slotted spoon. Slotted means there's holes underneath. You want to remove them onto a tray with paper.
Mmm.